The AIRHOP Ab Trainer AH-2000 is a versatile piece of equipment that allows for a variety of exercises, including sit-ups, push-ups, and arm curls, making it ideal for full-body workouts at home. With 4 adjustable resistance levels and an automatic rebound feature, this ab trainer offers tailored intensity for both beginners and seasoned fitness enthusiasts while ensuring joint protection. Constructed with a sturdy steel frame and cushioned with high-density foam, the machine supports up to 330 pounds, providing a stable and comfortable workout experience. The ab trainer's foldable design and lightweight build make it easy to store and perfect for quick workouts, whether at home or the office. This workout equipment comes fully assembled, allowing users to start their fitness routines immediately without any setup hassle. AIRHOP offers round-the-clock customer support to assist with any queries, ensuring a seamless and worry-free fitness journey.